How can a truck accident lawyer help me? An experienced truck accident lawyer will help you build a strong case and get fair compensation for the harm you have suffered by 1. Thoroughly investigating the cause of the accident, 2. Identifying all potentially responsible parties, not just the truck driver, 3. Finding all sources of insurance coverage available to pay your claim, 4. Sending a preservation of evidence letter to the defendants to ensure that evidence related to the accident is not destroyed, 5. Negotiating with the insurance companies, and 6. Taking your case to trial if a fair and timely settlement cannot be reached.